Agrícola Himalaya, with its brand Hindú, is the leader in the category of tea, infusions, and herbal teas in Colombia. Our plantation is located in the Andes Mountains in the town of Bitaco, Valle del Cauca, within the municipality of La Cumbre, a strategic zone for the production of a special tea, a tea of mountain origin. The Chocó biogeographical region, where our plantation is located, is the most biodiverse in the world. As well as being a great provider of fresh water, our crops are surrounded by protected rainforests, which we take great pride in helping to preserve. We have 363 acres of natural forest where the water is born for the local population. Agrícola Himalaya generates employment for over 200 families within the region. Our employee fund helps these families with housing, healthcare, and education. The communities surrounding our plantation also benefit from the Hindú Tea Foundation, which works for a better quality of life as well as the betterment of the ecosystem. Hindú, live naturally. The sun, the clouds, the water, the mountains, the biodiversity, the community, the children, the joy, our people, the love, and our tea plantation are our identity. We are Hindú Tea, a humanized brand. We have the satisfaction of offering products inspired by life. We export to United States, Puerto Rico, Panama, Ecuador, Guatemala, El Salvador, and Chile. Quality certifications. Since 2002, we have been certified ISO 9001-2002 by Econtech, member of the international organization ISO IQNet. We are working to accomplish 100% organic tea crops and production processes, complying with global standards and regulations in Colombia, North America, and Europe for ecological management. Additionally, in 2011, we were certified UTZ Tea of Traceability, Quality, and Sustainability. "50 years of experience makes us experts in tea. Our plantation, the experience of 3 generations, our locations, the climate, and the knowledge of our expert tea harvesters have helped us satisfy the most demanding palates, whom have categorized Hindú tea as a special tea, a tea of mountain origin. From our plantation to your cup, at Hindú we guarantee the entire process: the seedbed, the harvesting process, the withering process, the macerating process, fermentation, drying, classification, packaging, our products. We have an ample portfolio of beverages, teas, aromatics, infusions, and natural products aimed at consumers whom are interested in wellness. We are a team that develops healthy beverages and are at the forefront of the market and meets the necessities of our consumers. Hindú teas are rich in antioxidants beverages. Black tea. Original Hindú black tea. Hindú green tea. Hindú red tea. Esbelta. Hindú light-iced instant tea. Hindú herbal teas, pure natural herbs. Chamomile, herb louise, lemongrass, lemon balm, mint, celery, cinnamon, basil, and star anise. Hindú infusions, healthy herbal infusions, carefully selected herb blends which may help relieve minor health problems. Fruit infusions, fruit passion, exquisite and digestive combination of 100% natural dehydrated fruit with stevia leaves. Hindú Ola Frutal Fruit Wave is an instant fruit beverage with real fruit pulp and vitamin C. Hindú, live naturally.